Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the PowerPoint file and keeping a backup copy. You want a safety net if conversion changes layout. Once found, open Keynote on your Mac. Drag the PPT or PPTX file into Keynote or use File Open. Keynote begins parsing slides immediately. This step converts basic layouts and text frames. You'll see placeholders, images, and fonts imported. Make sure to pause and scan the first few slides so you can spot major layout shifts before proceeding. Once Keynote loads the presentation, you'll fix formatting differences. Replace missing fonts and adjust text boxes so content doesn't overflow. Then inspect embedded media, relink or reinsert videos and audio files if they didn't carry over. Next, address transitions and animations. Keynote maps many effects differently, so preview slides and tweak timing. For tables and charts, ungroup and reformat as needed using the inspector. These mid-process edits take time, but are essential to preserve visual clarity and slide hierarchy. Finish by saving the presentation as a Keynote document and then play it to confirm everything behaves as expected. Export a PDF copy for reliable sharing and test the Keynote file on the device you'll use to present. If something goes wrong, missing images, broken layouts, revert to your backup, correct the problematic elements, fonts, grouped objects, or oversized images, then re-import. A single troubleshooting tip: if layout breaks persist, copy slides into a fresh Keynote file, one at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.